What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to join our little family. We're at 338 right now, so let's go ahead and get to 400. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and add our clear base coat. We went ahead and prepped, primed, and shaped our nails already. And for those of you who are beginning and you don't want to rough up your nails too bad, or you just want to practice, instead of using regular nail primer, if you use cuticle oil, you can go ahead and kind of just pop those practice nails off at the end of the day. It's really cool, it's really convenient, especially if you're just practicing. So that's something I really recommend. Today's design is going to be a nude and gold ombre with a cute bling slash princess nail. I call it a princess nail because it's real blingy, it's real bougie, it's real princessy, you know what I mean? And I thought today's video would be kind of fun if we did somewhat of a price breakdown. I know a lot of people have trouble like gauging their price ranges and trying to figure out what to charge. So I thought maybe doing this kind of video, it would help people just not second guess themselves, help get their like starter prices out, you know? So for a glitter ombre, I would normally charge about 40 bucks, $45, just depending on length, shape, and all that. How many glitters they want to do, how many different colors of ombre. So those are just different factors that you want to think about when choosing the price of your design. You also want to think about how long does it take you to do a set, because you don't want to charge $20 and only make $10 an hour if it takes you 2 hours to do a full set. So just little things like that are just things you want to think about, as well as the cost of all of your materials, how much the glitter costs, how long they last you through each set, and so on and so on. For the middle finger, we're going to be doing the glitter ombre with the nude. So you want to kind of make sure that it's opaque enough so you're not going to see the natural nail tip underneath. And the tricky thing with glitter is you want to kind of get out that extra moisture and liquid and just pat it before you go ahead and drag it all the way down. Because if you drag it too soon and it's too liquidy, it's just going to take the whole bead off and you're going to be like, where'd all my glitter go? So just make sure you pat it and just slowly drag it down. And once you're happy with how much glitter is on the nail, you're going to go ahead and take a clear bead of acrylic and go ahead and encapsulate the full thing. For the bling finger, we're going to take that cover beige and just apply it all over and get a full coverage. Sorry it's in and out of focus. I'm still trying to get used to my new camera setup with You want to make sure your nails are built strong, especially at that tension point where you glue the nail tip to the natural nail. So if you go ahead and look at the sides and the angle and it looks a little thin, or the apex, which is that tension, like stress area, you can just go ahead and build it up a little bit more and it'll add that extra protection and sturdiness. Alright, so next we're going to file, shape, and buff. And I like my nails more on the narrow side, so what I do is I take my nail file, I go underneath the nail, and I just kind of go straight, and then I go at a slant inward, just to give it more of that narrow look. Not necessarily coffin, not necessarily ballerina, just more of a slender square kind of feel. And just make sure that, you know, your tips are nice and straight and crisp. And once our nails are file shaped and I did not buff them, you guys. Okay, well, so after you're supposed to buff them, you're gonna go ahead and take all that extra dust off with this wonderful drill bit. I got this on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link down below for you. It came with a set of, I want to say like 12 with other ceramic bits. They're really awesome. It doesn't hurt at all. It's just really awesome. Yeah, I forgot to buff, you guys. Forgive me. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff those nails, and then I'm gonna redust them. I don't know. Get my life together. That's what I'm gonna do. After I cleaned off my nails with the alcohol and the lint-free wipes, or so they claim, they get a little hair on me a little bit, but nothing I can't just clean off. We're going to take our Amazon Bling. I'll go ahead and link that down below for you guys as well. And it's just really good quality, and I think it's under $10, which is even better, especially if you're on a budget or your clients don't need the fancy smancy, you know, rhinestones. They just want a little shiny thing here and there. It's good to offer. So with the princess design, if I'm using something like this, it would start from $5 and up, versus using Swarovski crystals, it would be $10 and up. My favorite adhesive so far is the Zulay Nail adhesive. It works wonders, you guys. It lasts forever and a day, I promise you. And she bundles it with the Mia Secret resin activator, so that just helps it cure and dry. That way you don't get those white like dry patches when your clients touch water too soon, or when the just nail glue doesn't dry fully. So there's a couple ways you guys can do this design. I went ahead and just went straight in a row, but you could do like a kind of tip design where you bring them out side to side. But this one we're gonna just play it safe, do a nice row of bling. After you're done placing the bling, you're going to go ahead and spray it with that activator. And then you're going to top it off with your gel top coat. I've been using the Beatles gel top coat. I also got this from Amazon. I'll link that down below. But yeah, we're just going to top coat all of these. And a way that I help secure my bling is I don't necessarily go over the entire row of diamonds with the gel top coat. I just go around the sides and just make sure that the gaps are kind of just closed. Make sure there's no gaps in between the nail and the rhinestone. Anything that's kind of, you can kind of see the difference a little bit. You can't really see the little dark shadows, but you just want to make sure you get around the rhinestone and make sure that it's nice and secure. That way it doesn't grab onto your hair or anything else. Alright you guys, so that's the finished look. So let's go ahead and break the price down a little bit. For a full set of glitter ombre, since we're using 3 different powders, clear, glitter, and the cover beige, we're going to say $40. For the bling, since it's from Amazon and it's not genuine or crystals or anything, we're going to save $5 for each bling nail, which is $10 for the bling nail, $40 for the glitter ombre, bringing the set to $50 in total. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you. I'm sorry you guys, I can't talk right now. Happy New Year's though, and I hope this helped you out a little bit, and I hope you guys are safe tonight, and if it's already past New Year's in your state, then you know what? Good night, and I hope you're sleeping well. Bye you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.